everyone, Zach Paikoff here, and welcome back to another lesson video. Today, I will be showing you how to round money to the nearest dime. So let's jump right into the video. Okay, so in the last video that I recorded, we learned about how to round money to the nearest cent. Now in this video, we're going to be learning about how to round money to the nearest dime. And we're going to be doing that in a few steps, very similar to what we did in the last video. So the first step that we're going to be doing is locating the digit that we're rounding to and underlining it. The next step is locating the digit to the right of the key digit, which is the number we are rounding to, and asking ourselves if it is bigger than 5. If it is bigger than 5, we're going to add 1 to the key digit, but if it's not bigger than 5, we're going to leave the key digit alone. And the last step is to drop all the digits after the key digit. So let's try some problems together. Alright, so this first problem reads, round this amount to the nearest dime. Okay, so we are given the amount $18 with 717 cents. And if we look, the number 7 is underlined. So that is going to be the key digit that we're going to be rounding to. And if we look to the right of the number 7, we have the number 1. And the number 1 is less than 5. So this amount is going to round down. So it's going to become $18.70. So the answer for this problem is $18.70 because we took a look at the key digit, which was underlined, and looked to the right and saw that that number was less than 5, so we rounded down, and this became $18.70. And that is how to solve this problem. So let's move on to the next one. Okay, so in this next problem, we are given $5 with 1,506 cents. And as we can see here, the number 1 is underlined. So that is the key digit that we are going to be rounding to. And if we look to the right of the 1, we have the number 5. And 5 is bigger, so we have to round this number up. So this is going to become $5.20. So the answer for this problem is $5.20 because we looked at the key digit that was underlined, and we saw that that number was 5 and bigger. So we rounded this number up, and it became $5.20. And that is how to solve this problem. So let's hop on to another one. Alright, so in this next problem, we are given $6 with 5,068 cents. And as we can see here, the number 5 is underlined. So that is the key digit that we are going to be rounding to. And if we look to the right of the 5, we have the number 0. And 0 is less than 5. So this number just rounds down or stays what it is, which is $6.50. So the answer for this problem is $6.50 because we looked at the key digit that was underlined and saw that it was less than 5, so it rounded down and just stayed as it was, which was $6.50. And that is how to solve this problem. So I'm going to be doing a couple more with you guys. Okay, so in this next problem, we are given $9 and 5,498 cents. And if we look here, the number 5 is underlined. So that is the key digit that we are going to be rounding to. So if we look to the right of the number 5, we have the number 4. And the number 4 is less than 5, so this amount will round down to $9.50. So the answer for this problem is $9.50 because we took a look at the key digit, underlined it, and saw that the number next to it was less than 5, so we rounded down, and this became $9.50. That is how to solve this problem. So I'm going to be doing one more with you guys. Alrighty, so in this last problem, we are given $5 with 750 cents. And as we can see here, the number 7 is underlined. So that is going to be the key digit that we're going to be rounding to. So if we look to the right of the 7, we have the number 5. And the number 5 is bigger, so we are going to be raising this amount and rounding it up. So it's going to become $5.80. So the answer for this problem is $5.80 because we took a look at the key digit that was underlined and saw that the number next to it was 5 and bigger. So we rounded it up and it became $5.80. And that is how to solve this problem. I hope you found this video helpful and useful. If you did and are a new member to my channel, then please be sure to leave a like, comment, and most importantly, subscribe as well. I would greatly appreciate it. And I will see you all in the next video. Bye!